Paying for vehicle repairs isn't how most drivers prefer to spend their paycheck, which can make selling service a challenge. The good news is that there are 3 easy steps you can take to make customers feel good about their purchase. Coming up next.
This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
Get to know their needs. Trust is the primary factor that can move a customer to action. That's why you should establish rapport with your clients when they first come in the door. Greet them warmly, ask fact-finding questions to identify their needs, and ultimately sell them on the benefits of the service itself. Give them options. Drivers don't like feeling boxed into an all-or-nothing repair, so giving customers options helps them feel more in control of their purchasing decision and leads to higher average repair orders and customer satisfaction scores. Answer their questions. When the customer comes in to pick up their vehicle, the first thing the advisor should do is resell them on the service they chose. Then, ask the 2 questions every customer loves to hear. Do you have any questions for me? And is there anything else I can help you with? These 2 questions help dispel any doubts the customer may have and will instill the fact that you're genuinely interested in their well-being. I'm Mary DellaValle from Shop Owner Magazine. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more shop solutions.